Need a calming and fragrance tea? This ginger and jasmine blend is perfect for relaxation and digestion. To make this healthy herbal tea, you'll need 1-inch fresh ginger slice and 1 to 2 teaspoons of jasmine tea leaf or tea bags. And you'll need about 2 cups of hot water. Honey is optional. To brew this, I will explain in further details. You'll need to put a pot on the fire. You can do that. And we're going to pour our water straight in the pot. And what we need to do, we need to bring it to a boil or bring it up to temperature. I'm going to add my ginger in. And once it starts to boil up, I'm going to add the jasmine and we let it steep. So go ahead and put your jasmine tea leaf. This tea is very healthy and help you to relax. It's good for digestion system. What I'm doing here now, we'll turn the fire off and let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. Go ahead and pour your tea out in your suitable teapot. So make sure you strain it off properly, or if you have a strainer. So go ahead and pour your tea in. Honey is optional. For me, I'll use a bit of honey in mine because I love a little bit of honey for a natural sweetness to our lovely ginger and jasmine tea. This tea is so refreshing and delicious. Oh wow, delicious. Warm floral with a hint of spice, absolutely refreshing. Normally what I do sometimes, just put some in a shot glass, and this is what I do with a little bit of natural organic honey, and this is just keep me going for the day. This tea smooth digestion and reduce stress and also warm you up. Try it and let me know how you like it in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious tea recipe like this.